Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your Facebook video to reach more people and get more views. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the video post that you want to promote. This can be a video you already posted on your profile or on your Facebook page. Under the video, look for the option called Boost Post. Tap on Boost Post to start creating your promotion. Now you need to choose your goal. For example, you can select more video views, more engagement, or more messages depending on what you want from the promotion. After that, select your audience. You can either use the automatic audience suggested by Facebook or create a custom audience by choosing location, age, gender, and interests. Next, set your budget and duration. For example, you can choose how much money you want to spend and how many days you want the boost to run. Once everything looks good, tap Next and select your payment method, such as a debit card or another available payment option. Finally, review your promotion details and tap Boost Now. Your video will then be reviewed, and once approved, Facebook will start showing your video to more people. And that's it. That's how you can boost your Facebook video and increase its reach. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful social media tips. Thanks for watching.